One turtle on a tree looked around. What did he see? Two trucks driving side by side, carrying goods. Oh, what a ride! Three tiny toys tucked away. Tots can't wait to come and play. Four tall trees so very tall, birds and squirrels have a ball. Five tasty tarts in a row, each one a flavor you should know. Six terrific trains on a track, moving forward, never looking back. Seven tall towers full of light, glimmering grandly, always bright. Eight tough toothbrushes, paste galore, clean your teeth and smile once more. Nine tiny turtles, such a sight, spinning and splashing with all their might. 10 tasty treats on a plate. Let's eat them up. Don't hesitate. Now that we've counted up to 10, it's time to do it all again. Learning is fun, that's for sure, and we'll keep counting more and more.